Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I'll be showing you guys how I make hot body chicken. That's what we call it. It's not your normal chicken. It's mainly called hot body because no matter how long you cook it, it has a tendency of being hard, but it does fall off the bones. Enjoy. So today I'll be making you guys some hot body chicken. This is like the real deal. Check. I even have the head. I'm sorry, this is not for sensitive viewers. But yeah, I'm just gonna. So what I can say now, before I even go far, is that I'm not good at cutting. This is my first time like chopping up hot body chicken, so please do not judge or anything, and do advise if you know better ways of doing it. I'm gonna try my best though. So as you can see here, I've got my pieces cut out as best as I could. The next thing to do now is to make sure that you thoroughly rinse your chicken with cold or lukewarm water. Guys, what is traditional meal without beans? So now I'm adding So just make sure your chicken is falling off the bone before you now take it off the stove and start adding your spices. So I'm adding cinnamon,